show you the small humidity. Down. See the other one. See, the chicken just ash out. See it? This is the first to ash out. The rest we hash later. This is how they will keep ashing till they all ash out. You can see the chicks inside. You can see it. You see? You see? Very easy and simple. Very easy. Very easy. You can see the whole incubator. You can see. See. You can see the edges of the cooler. See? Very easy.
So for the hatchery, we need a cooler. You can see. You need bulb. You need lamp holder. You need gum. You need a control. You need the plug, and then you also need temperature and humidity control.
stand like that. Let me do this now.
Muscular. Very strong.
Let me push it in. Don't allow it to come this side.
The chicken.
Where the hell will I need to do that now? This one is for polish, shoe polish.
So this is the full incubator, locally fabricated. This is the temperature and humidity control. This is the lighting point. You can actually use this light. If there is no light, you can switch to lantern. So this is like an exhaust. So here is the base of the lantern. So your eggs are going to be here in a crate. Then we have this to regulate the temperature of the bulbs. You can increase and reduce it. Then the cover is made with carton as well, so that it can reduce the heat of it, because incubators like cross ventilations. So this is where the exhaust is coming out from. You also made something to keep the cover safe, so you can just remove and then cover it. Now this is so that you can see the temperature, the temperature and humidity through this transparent